how to use these buds. Now to use these buds, we'll just make a bundle out of it like this, and we'll grab a little bit of orange like this and red like this. It will create a very good effect. See what kind of effect it is creating. Can you see, guys? Friends, see, it is creating an amazing effect, right? And if we are going to use this yellow color and lemon yellow too, it will give a beautiful creation. And everyone, we can also use a blue color. That we'll do afterwards. See how it is giving a lovely effect. The effect of a tree. This is a simple tree. Now we are going to use a little bit of blue and a green. I'm going to grab a little bit of blue and a little bit of green here, and I'm just going to create a beautiful texture here. And you will be amazed, guys. It will create a beautiful texture. See, and do you know what this tree is called? This tree is nothing but the kids' favorite fantasy tree, and it's somewhat like a willow tree, you know. And if you want to give more effect to it, you can use more of this paint, and if you want to give a little less effect of these colors, you can use less of it. You can use it here also. Now earlier I told you about the branches. If you simply want to create branches, you can make those branches, and if you want to give this effect, you can create this effect. I already told you about the fantasy willow tree texture, how to create it. Now I am going to tell you how to create the grasses to give it a more nice effect. So just you have to hold your brush like this, and you need to paint like this to give it a little bit of grassy effect. And for that, you need to be a little careful, like this, like this, like this. It will create a grassy effect for this beautiful fantasy willow tree, which is of course kids' favorite and is quite ideal for the kids' room. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of black. Now I'm going to create few branches, friends, so that it will give a very good effect to this willow tree. See how these branches are giving a cool effect to this willow tree. To make it more, now I'm going to create few branches on this willow tree, which will give it a more precise and a beautiful look. See how beautiful it is. If we want to give it more texture, we can just use more of the paint on our buds, and after it dries off, we just need to grab that paint and use it like this. That's all for today's video, friends. I hope you like this fantasy willow tree and you will definitely practice it, I know, because it can relax you and kids will love it, no doubt. Even the adults would love it, I know that. And that's all for today. Hope you like and subscribe all my videos to get all notifications. Thank you.